I'm Renan Larsha.
My name is Zachary C.
And I'm Emilio Aquino.
Welcome to the second day of hiatus by 7:30 Lectures. Today, we'll be focusing on the state of entrepreneurship in a post-COVID economy.
To open today's program, we have a very special guest who will be providing insights and advice related to the topic today.
So without further ado, I'd like to present to you all Her Excellency, the Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines, Maria Leonor Herona Robredo.
Good afternoon, everyone. I hope we're all safe and doing well. I'd like to acknowledge Zachary Will C., co-creator at 7:30 Lectures, Senator Bam Aquino, Mr. Steve Benitez, CEO of Bose Coffee, Ms. Nina Terol, Chief Marketing Officer from Talino Venture Labs. Good afternoon as well to the participants of 7:30 Lectures. I hope everyone is keeping safe. By now, everyone has felt the effects of COVID-19 in one way or another. Our healthcare system is under tremendous strain, with cases rising by the thousands each day. It has spawned other wicked problems as well. The virus has rocked our economy to its knees. The Philippines has entered a recession for the first time in 30 years. According to a recent survey, joblessness among adult Filipinos is at 45%. Numerous businesses have either closed or suffered massive layoffs. And this is not simply the result of COVID alone. Few would deny that crucial missteps were made in the way government responded to the pandemic. If the national leadership had acted when the first cases were reported at the end of January, we would not be suffering the painful effects of inaction and indecision today. Up to now, there seems to be no clear direction and no clear strategy apart from waiting for the vaccine. I share these things with you because as entrepreneurs, you know all about the value of calculating risks and the pitfalls of not planning well. And as future nation builders yourselves, knowing that terrain and its conditions forms the backbone of any effective attempt at transformation. Yes, the future remains largely uncertain, but there is a way forward. The tonic to fear is fully embracing cooperation among sectors. This is a long-term cure not only for the virus, but for the many ills that society faces as well. For us at the Office of the Vice President, I can quite simply say that we would not succeed without the help of our private partners. Every project that we have done since the pandemic broke, our free shuttle services and dormitories for frontliners, both here in the National Capital Region and in Cebu, the food packs and hot meals we distribute, our locally produced personal protective equipment, the app-based community markets that link small market vendors, tricycle drivers, and consumers that can now safely stay at home, our distance learning initiatives, all of our efforts were made possible thanks to partnerships with various private groups. And I encourage you to be sensitive to opportunities for collaboration in your community, in your industry, and even in those fields outside of your own. Because if there's a lesson we're all learning, complex problems need interconnected solutions. Magkakaugnay ang mga problema, magkakaugnay din ang tugon nito. We should not operate from a place of competing interests in the face of this pandemic. True leaders recognize that differing perspectives can be harmonized and not locked in binary black or white categories. That is our challenge as well as our responsibility as leaders. And to be an entrepreneur means to take on a leadership role and march towards a vision when starting your own enterprise. Talent, intelligence, and acumen will be important, yes. But empathy, a sense of community, and a national harmonizing perspective will see us past this crisis. Every effort has value. Every contribution brings us closer to a better normal that is more equitable, just, and fair. There is no greater enterprise than the healing and rebuilding of a nation. And I, for one, look forward to further passion, further activity, and further resolve from your ranks. Congratulations once again. Maraming salamat.
Hiatus by 730 Lectures is brought to you by wininmanila.com and the John Gokongwei School of Management, Sanggunian.